Hello, today we'll be learning how to create three simple and easy text effects in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's begin with we just click on your text, type 2, add a letter B, and then drag it here. Let's increase the size a little, and then okay, now let's hold Alt as we drag to the left side, to the right side, and then hold your Shift so that they will be on the same line. Now double click, let's change this to R. Okay, now with this we're going to do the same thing here. Alt, drag, hold Shift before you release on your mouse, then release, double click E. Okay, I hope you can guess the word we are spelling over here. So we hold Alt and repeat the same sequence, and then release over here A. Yeah, you guys right, we are spelling break. Okay, repeat the same sequence. Alt, drag, hold Shift so that it remains on the same line, release, and then with your A you change it to K. Okay, now go to your B, click on the layer mask. Let's create a layer mask. Now select your gradient tool, and then you're dragging from right to your left side. Hold Shift 2 to make it straight. So drag it from right to your left side and then release. Pow. That's it. And then create the same thing on the R. Create a layer mask and then dragging from right to left. Pow. And then on E, same thing, create a layer mask and then put Shift and release. That's it. So what do we do? Yes, you're right, create a layer mask and then dragging from right to left, hold your Shift and then release. That's it. This affects one. Select all and then increase the text, increase it, swatches. Wow, that's it. So let's move to the next one. So the next one, pick your type 2, shortcut is T on your keyboard and then click. So let's type home over here, home. Let's increase the size a little. Okay, now create a layer mask. Click on the gradient tool and then you drag from up to down, holding your Shift key. Up to down, holding your Shift key. Up to down, holding your Shift key twice. That's it. It's okay. Now with this, make sure that your fill is set to 0. You see nothing, right? Okay, so now go to your effect and then add strokes and you see the magic. Pow. That's the magic. That's the magic. Center. Make sure your position is at the center. Not for with this center, this inside, center, inside, and outside. They all look beautiful. Inside, center. Wow, you get it. Looks very nice. Our last one to do. Now with the last one, it's gonna be a little bit complex, so but don't panic, it's very easy. So type 2, click and type final. Let's use this word this time, and V. Let's increase the size. Okay, Now with this one, what we're going to do is duplicate, Ctrl+J or Command J on your Mac, Ctrl+J on Windows to duplicate. Now you shift your duplicated layer below such that it reaches the middle of the text. Now you bring it below, bring the layer of the duplicate, the copy below. Now you you make sure your fill is set to 0 so that it disappears, and then you give it some strokes from the blending option side, around 4. Let's see, 3 is okay. Now convert it to smart objects, and then create layer mask. Now you guess right, gradient 2, yes, shift, and then you drag up to down, from up, down, up, down, down. You get something like this. Now you duplicate this layer and then you move it a little bit down somewhere there. Let's see, yeah, it's okay. So with the same thing, duplicate the final, Ctrl+J or Command J, bring the copy below the final text, and then you make sure you move it to the center. Make sure that you move it so that the end of it touches is almost at the center of the word itself, and then set your fill to 0. Create some strokes. Okay, yes, you guess why I convert to smart object. Power. Now create your layer mask as we did. Yes, gradient 2, and hold shift, drag up, hold shift, drag up, hold shift, drag up. Now you duplicate this layer and then you shift the duplicated layer up. Get something like this. Oh wow, isn't this beautiful? Now with the last part, click on your final word and then drop shadows. Increase your size. Let's say darker color, and then increase your to about 60, and then your distance about 20, 0, and your size about 60. There we have it. So this is our last one, and thank you for watching this tutorial, and I wish you could subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Help me reach more audience by sharing this video. Thank you once again, and I'll continue to provide quality and valuable content like this.